guys. Friday evening, end of another work week. A little while back, I started playing around with this Arduino stuff. Up till now, I've just been playing around trying to essentially learn how to put it to use. So I'm getting ready now to actually put this into a model. Probably about 3 years ago, I mentioned that I was planning to build an aircraft, 747, the Iron Maiden 747, the Ed Force One. So I had the plane and the decals and everything, but I was wanting to light it as well, but I didn't have the lighting. And one of the reasons I put it off for so long is the only aircraft lighting that I could find was about $100, and there's other modeling stuff I'd rather spend $100 on than a few LED lights. So I've been putting it off and putting it off, and it's one of the reasons why I started playing around with this Arduino stuff. So the circuit and stuff I have set up here is for an aircraft, or you could use it for science fiction if you want, Star Wars, Star Trek, anything that flies really. This would probably work with it. So just to show you what I have here, this first red light here would be the navigation light for the port side, and that would be a steady on all the time. These two white lights here are the wingtip strobe lights. I have these, or I will have these when I download the program here, but I have these programmed as a double strobe. You can easily have a single strobe, 3 flashes, however many you want. I have mine set as a double flash, quick double flash. You'll see now when it lights up, hopefully. This second red one is, that's the beacon light. I only have one shown here, but there's usually one on top and one on the bottom of the plane, I believe. And this is kind of a fade-in strobing effect. So it'll fade in, strobe, go out, fade in, strobe, go out. And then this green one is the other navigation light for the starboard side. So let me go ahead and upload the program. Yeah, so you can see here, steady red on. My double strobe here with the white. My fade in strobe for the beacon. And the green light for the other navigation light, steady on. So you can add as many lights to this as you want. All you have to do is add it into your program, and you can change your flash rates and everything when you're writing the program as well. So of course right now this is on a test board. This is a breadboard, and this is the Uno. So I have the Arduino Nano boards. They're only about this long, about this wide. They're quite small. So all you do is you take the program from the Uno, upload it to the Nano board. The Nano board is what goes into your model, and then you wire your circuit based on how it's laid out here. Now I know this, believe me, this looks much more complicated than it actually is. But all you do is you trace this back, and it'll tell you how to wire out your circuit when you put the lights in your model. In this case, it'll be in a jet. Again, with the light brightness and stuff, these I think are 3-volt LEDs that I'm using here. So this board, Nano, or the Uno, sorry, is capable of 3.3 volts or 5 volts. I'm pretty sure these are 3-volt lights. Not 100% sure there now, but anyways. So of course you can change the brightness with your resistors and stuff like this. So like I said, it's not as complicated as it looks, or as it sounds for that matter. So it's been such a long time now since I've put up the video on the talking about the Ed Force 1 build. I'll attach that video to the end of this video. But anyways, as you can see here, if you include the cost of the nano board, this whole thing probably costs less, well, it will be less than 10 bucks. So I buy all of my electronic stuff from China. They're almost giving it away. It's so cheap. You just have to wait 3 or 4 weeks for it to get here, but I usually buy it in bulk. I buy the lights like batches of 100 or 200. Literally, I bought 100 LEDs for like 99 cents with free shipping. So less than a cent per LED. So these things are like throwaway almost. And then as well, oops, sorry. And then as well, I have this tester. This, again, bought this from China, I think $2 or something. And it's just before you put your LEDs in your circuit, you can put them in here, press the button, and the light will come on or it won't come on. And that'll tell you if the light's good or not. So, anyways, guys, enough babbling on. So like I said, this will be my first time using this Arduino stuff in an actual model. Not to say it'll be done tomorrow or anything, but at least I now have my circuit and I have my program written. Now the only thing left to do is to build it and put it together. So like I said, I'll attach the video, the Iron Maiden video, to the end of this video. And if you're interested, you can just keep watching. But anyways, as always, thanks for watching, and hope this helps somebody out, and hope you stay tuned for the updates.